My brothers, this is Lil Moon 49 straight away in Dubai, representing you with the Quizzy, the best fashion show all over the town, all over East Africa, Europe, Asia, America. Brothers, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and I think everything is going to be okay. This time round, I'm in the Kampala fashion shop. The Kampala fashion shop is best in Deira, the best fashion shop all over the town, all over city. We have a lot of things as today I'm going to show you. We have a lot of stuff. We are going to show you about new kinds of clothes. We are going to show you many things here in Kampala fashion. Kampala fashion is located in Dubai, Deira, and if you love to make an order, I'm gonna show you the direct routes of finding us. Kampala fashion is the best fashion shop all over the town, all over the city. We are going to look up to many kinds of shoes, many kinds of shirts, many kinds of nice brand clothes. This time around, I think this is the best fashion shop I've ever met in the world. I think we are having a lot of stuff as I'm going to show you. I'm gonna be speaking a lot of stuffs. As you see, we have good shirts, we have good trousers, we have good stocks, we have a lot of good things. Brothers, keep it up in the next episode. Thank you. I'm gonna be introducing you another person in this video. Thank you. Kampala fashion shop is the best all over the town, all over city, all over the world. Thank you. Keep it up. My brothers, once again, your boy Lil Moon 49 straight away in Dubai, representing you the Quizzy. It's all about fashion. It's all about good clothes. It's all about nice attires. Brothers, this time round I'm in the best fashion shop all over the town, all over the city, all over the world. This time round we are in the best fashion shop in the city, in Dubai, all over UAE. My brothers, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment, and at least love my show. Every time I'm gonna be bringing you new kinds of shoes, new kinds of clothes. Ngenda munange kubaletera ebintu ebipya. Olwaleero tuli mu Kampala fashion shop nga leero tugenda kwogera ku bintu ebyamaanyi. We are going to be speaking about the new kinds of shoes. Today I'm going to be speaking about engatte empya. These shoes are not easy to find in Dubai, but this time round we are in the Kampala fashion. Kampala fashion has got the best quality clothes, best quality shoes, whereby we are going to be talking about many kinds of shoes. It's hard to find in Dubai, but I know it's going to be very easy to come and reach in Dubai. This time round, Kampala has got the best fashion. If I want to talk about this shoe, it's all about, it's very good, texture is good, the sole is good. We are going to speak also about the Timberland. We're having the new Timberland all over the world. It's very new. It's from Turkey. Turkey has got the best talented, and they are best talented in brands of shoes and brands of clothes. We have the best Timberland. Timberlands are rare now to find. We are going to be also speaking about Alexandra M Queen. We have this kind of shoe. We are having also this kind. I think this kind has got the best texture. This time around we are going to be speaking about a lot of stuff. So we are going to be talking about many things, as we are going to be introducing you our fashion guy in the building, and it's going to be called, I'm not going to be speaking about him, he's going to be actually introducing himself to us. Thank you, brothers. Keep it rock. Thank you, Lil Moon 49 Quizzy, the best fashion show. Thank you. Keep it up. Fashion shop called Kampala. Kampala has got the best fashion all over the town, all over the city, all over everywhere. Kampala Fashions is the best. I think we have got the best fashion shop all over the city, all over UAE. Find us at at our numbers. We are going to be actually putting them down. We are in the Deira. We are having a lot of good stuff. This time round, I'm gonna be speaking about the new shirts trending. New shirts trending all over the city, all over the world, all over everywhere. This time round in Dubai, we are actually in summer. What kind of clothes are we supposed to be putting on? We are having the summer shirts. The summer shirts, they are very nice. They are very good in the texture. They are having nice and mild, and they are very nice in clothes. We have a lot of good summer clothes. We're having a lot of them. If you love, brothers, just call or just contact us. We are going to be bringing you a lot of good stuff. These are the summer shirts. Summer shirts, they are very nice. You are not going to find them anywhere. We are going to be showing you a lot of good shirts. We are going to be bringing you a lot of good stuff. Another thing, we are going to be speaking about also the goggles. We are having a lot of good goggles. As actually we are in summer, we are having good shirts, good goggles. We are having a lot of good, because if actually it comes to the sunshine, you have to put on good stuffs. These are the goggles. If you love, we are going to be making orders for you guys. And we're having also another trousers. These are the shorts for the summer. It's hard to find good shorts. They are in Kampala Fashions. Kampala Fashion is the best fashion shop all over the world, all over city, all over UAE, all over Dubai. Just follow us, just come and comment. We are having also other good ones. You see, these are the summer shorts. We're having a lot of good summer shorts. You see, you have to put on such on the beach. You go to the beach and you feel the sun bath. These are the good stuffs. Thank you. Keep it up. We are going to be showing you a lot of good stuff. Look, Lil Moon 49 Fashions in the Kampala Fashion Shop. Thank you. Baleetera buli kimu ekyamaanyi. Olwaleero ogenda kwogera ku empale zino ziri hard of finding in Dubai. Naye obanga ofunye omukisa okujja Dubai, ogenda kucontactinga ku namba yange egenda kubeera nga munange eyita ku screen. Wano waliwo kye bayita ebyambalo ebyamaanyi, ebyambalo ebirungi. Kati wano waliwo zino empale weziti Kampala ziba nzibu nnyo za kufuna. Okitegeera, zino empale weziti ogenda zisanga hano ku Kampala Fashions. Kampala Fashion ejjudde buli kimu ekyamaanyi. Ba designer be bakyasinze okubeera wano. Okitegeera, tuyina ebayita empale ennungi. Kaŋŋambe ku kamera abantu munagaji aziseewoko alabeko ku mpale ez'amaanyi, empale ezikyasinze okutunda ne Dubai. Atugenda kwogerako ne ku masaati wegati. Amasaati wegati wano e Dubai mazibu nnyo ga kusanga. Gano amasaati ebiseera ebisinga bagambala nnyo ku sama. Aye ate ebiseera ebisinga bazambala nnyo mu office wear. Ogenda kukambala okakubeko ko mu kiki, okakubeko ko mu kale okambala gwe ne kafitinga very good. Tulina amasaati wegati gaba malungi ga kuwambala ku office, oba munange ogenda genda ku mpati webutyo okwambalirako obusaati gwe nga bw'amaanyi. Okitegeera, tulinawo engoye z'amaanyi wano nnyo, era gwe tulina n'empale ezigenda okwogererwako. Empale weziti zino mpya, empale zibeera mpya era zakafuluma byo mu brand. Eno empale nzibu nnyo e Dubai ozifuna ogenda kuzisanga mu Kampala Fashion Shop. Kampala Fashion Shop ejjudde buli kimu ekyamaanyi, ekintu ekirungi. Zino empale zigenda kufunibwanga wano, era obanga munange oyagala order zange, ogenda kugifuna. Empale stretchinga, empale ennungi, empale eriko munange emiguwa emirungi, kinzibu nnyo za kufuna. Era tugenda kwogerako ebintu bingi nnyo. Introducing you our person in the fashion. It is the best fashion shop. Yes, my brother, how are you? Like now, how is everything here?
Turkey item, all Turkey, made in Turkey.
Yeah.
Not China, all Turkey, good, normal price, not high price,
Yeah.
all good quality, long time use, no problem.
Yeah.
Good quality.
I would like to know how much are your clothes here in the shop? Depending what?
Too much.
Too much?
Yeah, too much.
I would like also to tell my people there where is the shop actually located. They would like to know every people are there. They are actually asking me Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. So now I would like to tell the camera where is Kampala shop? Phone. Be audible enough, like speak louder.
Location?
Yeah, you can look in the camera.
Location is Kenya Square Metro.
Yeah.
This Musala Road near City Burger.
Okay.
Okay, City Burger restaurant.
Oh my God! This time around, we are going to be bringing you a lot of good stuff. So we are going to be bringing you to the next episode. We are going to be having a lot of good stuff. He has told you many things. We are going to be closing our shop. We are going to be closing our fashion. We are going to be closing our next episode. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Look, brothers, we are going to be bringing you good stuff, good music. We are going to be also putting a lot of good stuff. I just want to shout out to my brother, Bob is a good camera guy. Atukwata mwana omulimu nange gwokukwata ebintu bino bisibyangu nange kambagireko kubugabo mulabe omusajja olugogo olwaweereza show yammwe show ekyasinze ano obuganzi ekyasinze okutunda ekyasinze okupaleetera ebintu ebiri fashionista bafashionista bangi wano gwe tulinawo Bob gwe tulinawo Daddy Bulamu genda kwogera gwene ku show endala bagiyita grassroots show nungi banaye following liking Quizy is the best fashion show. Today I've been in the fashion of the fashionista. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a friend to tell another friend that Lil Mon 49 is in the building with the best fashion show. Kampala is located in Dubai, is located in Deira near Naif Park Police Station. Thank you, brothers. Thank you for keeping, for liking, for viewing.